it's Smiley Sayeeba. Look at who is with me. She's not gonna get married today.
Yeah.
We are going for a picnic. And you want to say something? You have good news for everyone?
Yeah. I got job from big airline company.
Which one?
Red one.
Which one?
I cannot say.
Why you can't say?
なんかダメなんだよね。
Honto? Okay, she got job, so maybe I will reveal the truth soon. And this is Mama. Mama, hello, Yutte.
Hello.
So we are at the mosque and we are gonna go to picnic, but I don't know where. I meant
Waterfall.
Waterfall. Yeah. Maybe if we find any water because it's so hot, guys. It's so hot. Finally, we are getting into the car, and yeah, hope so. We are gonna have waterfall. We're gonna see the waterfall. And Himika,
Okay.
she's wearing like really beautiful hat. Yeah, cowgirl hat.
Clean green.
Dia datang ke masjid. Ya kayak video apa lah. Okay.
I'm feeling like I'm going to Jurassic Park. This place is so pretty. Himeka, kyosuke.
Thank you.
So pretty. We are planning we are gonna have food over there. Hope it's gonna be pretty. Oh my god, look at guys, it's so pretty. Whoa. I always wanted to come this kind of place. It's like you are really, attached with the nature, and you can see the whole beauty. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see the waterfall, the main waterfall. Though I'm feeling like I'm in Amazon, like in a jungle, but it's so good. It's so pretty. Wow. Hi, cheese. Oh, look at that mountain. Ah. 気をつけて、こっちからいいかな。So pretty. Oh my god. Alhamdulillah. Thanks Allah for this. For my dream come true. Wow. Wow. Guys, look at that. So pretty, so beautiful. It's so hot. I'm standing here and you can see this beautiful waterfall. It's so pretty, guys. I can't tell you the feelings. It's like really real feelings. Alhamdulillah, Allah made this beautiful world and I'm really lucky to come in Japan.
Hey guys, I'm Himeka, and now I'm coming to see waterfalls. Look, it's beautiful. And there is someone who is really weird. Who is that? めっちゃ変な人。
Best experience in my life, sitting at a really open place. Like you can see the water from here, and we are sitting here, and there's a waterfall, and we are eating here. It's like best experience in my life. Guys, look at my face. I'm so tired and I'm so sweating. Now we are going back to the mosque. It was really amazing time. So we came back to home, not home, at Beppu from USA, and now I lost my ID card, so we are searching for that. And yeah, you can see a lot of people over here because they are doing they have cultural program. I'm so happy I got my card. Now I'm going to the mosque for study, and Himeka is going where? Unikura. Unikura tarane.
Yume Town.
Yume Town. Guys, it's so hot, but God, like people seems like so genki, like they want to do party and everything.
They're dancing.
So it's already getting midnight. I am still studying, trying to do my assignment done, and from tomorrow I have class. I have lots of things to do. Everyone is going back to their country, but I'm still studying. Wow, really good student, right? It seems that I'm really good student but I'm not. And yes, and this is the end of the video. I hope you like the video. If you like it, give a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'm so tired, even I don't have strength to say these words. So I'll see you next time. Your friends, Smiley Sayeeba, and soup. So she is eating like the most cheapest one.